Yo, what's up guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit with your pickaxe out without having to pull out your pickaxe after every edit. So what you first want to do is you'd want to go into the description of my video, click on the first link, and you'll find the Mouse X Button app. So what you want to do is you want to download it, you want to open it up, and then you can follow the steps that I'm about to show you. So first of all, whatever button you use for your pickaxe, so mine is Q, you'd want to go to stimulated keys, you click on it, then something should pop up like this. You'd want to put in whatever bind you use for your pickaxe. So if you use F, you put an F in there. I use Q, so I'll put Q in there. You want to take this out, block original mouse input, because I'm on my the left click mouse, so every time I click, I'd want it to pull up my pickaxe. So if I block it, then I won't be able to click. I'll only be able to click Q. So you want to use both. So you want to click, obviously, or else you can't shoot or anything, but you also want to pull out your pickaxe. But now there's a quick problem. It will do it simultaneously, which means it will do both at the same time, which doesn't work because when you try and shoot, it's just going to pull out your pickaxe the whole time. So what you want to do is, yours is probably going to be like this. You're going to have to do it as the mouse button is released. So as you release your mouse button, so you can still shoot, you can still select things, it will pull out your pickaxe. You can still spray and everything. So you leave that unticked, and you leave it like that. After you do that, you click OK. Stimulated keys, release key. Now you click apply. And now every time you every time you click, it should open your pickaxe. Okay, so now that I see that it works. Now, as you can see, every time I release my mouse, like you see I'm holding, but the second I release it, that happens. So now, you can just free build without having to every time pull it out every time you're editing. So now you can edit normally, like how you normally would edit when you don't pull your pickaxe out, but this time it will be pulling your pickaxe out. The only two problems or three problems with this is you can't really, it doesn't work really well because when you're trying to play the game normally, like competitively or something of those sorts, you don't always want to pull out your pickaxe after like say you build a box, right? You don't want to always have your pickaxe pulled out. Or say you want to shoot somebody like with a shotgun. Every time you're done shooting the shotgun, like it's gonna pull out your pickaxe after. So basically you can't use shotguns really well, because every single time you pull out a shotgun, every single time you shoot a shotgun, you can only shoot one shot before it goes back to your pickaxe. You can now edit with your pickaxe out without having to pull it out with every single edit. This is really helpful when you want to maybe do a free build or something, or a montage, where you're going to have to one-pump the guy anyways, if you're going to do a montage of some sort, and this will help. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and the video helped you out, or you learned a thing or two. If you guys have any questions or queries, just ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day.